Under the canopy of a dark starlit sky, a lone figure sits in deep meditation, embodying tranquility and introspection. As we slowly zoom in, the silhouette of the person becomes clearer, a silent testament to the invisible universe that surrounds us. Overlaying this serene image, we notice the words, "A world unseen yet felt, where every particle hums a silent symphony." This silent symphony is the enigma of vibrations, a universal melody that is omnipresent yet often overlooked, a cornerstone of our existence. It's the echo of the cosmos, the whisper of the elements, the rhythm of life itself. This is the law of vibration. An ancient Hermetic principle, steeped in mystery, it serves as the foundation of our spiritual and physical realms. Now, are you ready to dive into the mysterious depths of the law of vibration? Let's journey back in time, to the cradle of ancient wisdom where the law of vibration was born. In the hallowed halls of ancient philosophy, the law of vibration was a cornerstone of understanding reality. It originated from the belief that everything in the universe, from the tiniest grain of sand to the grandest of galaxies, vibrates at a certain frequency. This belief was not a mere hypothesis, but a fundamental principle that grounded the worldviews of the ancients. The law found its roots in Hermeticism, a religious, philosophical, and esoteric tradition based primarily upon the writings attributed to Hermes Trismegistus, the thrice great. Hermetic texts like the Kabbalion speak of the law of vibration, asserting that nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This principle, they believed, was the key to understanding the mysteries of the universe. Alchemy, often viewed as the precursor to modern chemistry, also held the law of vibration in high regard. The alchemists of yore believed that this law was the blueprint for transmutation, the process of changing base metals into gold, or more symbolically, elevating the human soul to a divine state. The vibrations were seen as the divine dance of cosmic energy, a dance that could be learnt, mastered, and utilized for spiritual ascension. In the realms of esoteric philosophy, the law of vibration was considered the heartbeat of the universe. It echoed the ancient Hindu belief of Nada Brahma, meaning the world is sound, and resonated with the Buddhist concept of pratitya samutpada, which suggests the interconnected vibrational nature of the universe. The law of vibration was also mirrored in the Greek philosophical concept of harmonia, the harmony that arises from the balanced vibration of the cosmos. Greek philosopher Pythagoras, often termed the father of numerology, believed that numbers had vibrations and these vibrations were the language of the universe. These ancient wisdom traditions, although separated by geography and time, all pointed towards the same universal truth, the law of vibration. They understood that everything in existence, seen and unseen, was interconnected through this cosmic dance of energy. From the sands of time, this ancient wisdom has found its way to us. To harness the power of the law of vibration, we must first transcend lower vibrational mindsets. Lower vibrational mindsets are often characterized by fear, anger, and negativity. These emotions create a discordant frequency, a dissonance in the cosmic symphony. They disrupt the harmonious flow of energy, acting like a wrench in the finely tuned machinery of the universe. These destructive frequencies not only impact our spiritual well-being, but they also manifest in our physical bodies, leading to stress, illness, and disharmony. To align with the law of vibration, we need to raise our vibrational frequency. But how do we do this? The most effective way is through the practice of mindfulness and meditation. By quieting our minds and focusing on our breath, we can tune into our inner frequency, identify discordant vibrations, and consciously choose to shift our energy. Positive affirmations can also play a crucial role in this process. By repeating positive, empowering statements to ourselves, we can rewire our subconscious minds, replacing the lower vibrational thought patterns with higher, more harmonious ones. Self-love and gratitude are also powerful tools in maintaining a high vibrational state. By loving ourselves unconditionally and expressing gratitude for the blessings in our lives, we invite positivity and abundance into our energy field. The transformational power of transcending lower vibrational mindsets cannot be overstated. By aligning our personal frequency with the universal frequency, we unlock our true potential. tap into the infinite wisdom of the cosmos, and become co-creators of our reality. Transcending lower vibrational mindsets is the first step towards unlocking the true power of the law of vibration. The universe sings, and its melody is the law of vibration. This ancient principle, rooted deeply in the mystic traditions of the world, tells us that nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. From the tiniest atom to the grandest galaxy, everything in the cosmos is in a constant state of motion, humming its own unique tune. The law of vibration is the heartbeat of the universe, the rhythm behind the reality we perceive. On a physical level, it's the reason why matter forms and falls apart, why stars burn bright and then fade away. It's the dance of particles, the waltz of waves, the symphony of solar systems. But the law of vibration resonates deeper than just the physical. It also holds profound spiritual implications. It's the undercurrent that connects us all, the thread that weaves through every soul, every thought, every emotion. It's the echo of our thoughts, the resonance of our feelings, the energy of our intentions. Think of yourself as a radio. Your thoughts and emotions are like the tuning dial, adjusting your vibrational frequency. When you tune into positivity, love, compassion, you raise your frequency, aligning with higher, more harmonious vibrations. Conversely, negativity, fear, and anger lower your frequency, aligning you with discordant vibrations. This connection between energy and vibration is a powerful tool. When we understand it, we can use it to shape our reality, to manifest our desires, to create ripples of positivity that reverberate through the cosmos. Yet it's not just about individual frequencies. We are all interconnected, part of a vast, intricate web of vibrations. Our frequencies interact, intertwine, influence each other. Each one of us contributes to the collective vibrational frequency of the universe. Thus, we are all a part of this grand cosmic orchestra. Each of us plays our own unique part, adds our own unique note, and together we create the melody of the universe, a symphony of vibrations that sings the song of existence. The law of vibration isn't just a theory, it's a key. It is the key that unlocks the immense power of the universe, the key that can open doors to realms you've never ventured into before. Now, one might ask, how does one wield this key? Let's begin with the basics. Incorporating the law of vibration into your everyday life is not as daunting as it may sound. It's all about elevating your vibrational frequency to resonate with the universe. Picture it as tuning your internal radio to the universe's frequency. When you are in harmony with the universe, you become a magnet for abundance, love, and joy. Manifestation techniques play a vital role here. Visualize your desires, feel them, live them. When you vividly imagine your desired outcomes, you start vibrating at the frequency of your dreams. You become a beacon, attracting those dreams into your reality. Affirmations are another powerful tool in your vibrational toolbox. Think of them as the lyrics to your life song. When sung with conviction, they can alter your vibrational frequency and create a powerful ripple effect in the universe. Repeatedly affirming positive statements like, "I am abundant," "I am loved," or "I am successful," can help you align with these desired realities. Yet it's not just about what you say, it's about how you feel. Emotions are the fuel that powers your vibrational engine. Positive emotions like love, joy, or gratitude can elevate your vibration, while negative emotions like fear or anger can lower it. So it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset and nurture your emotional well-being. Remember, the law of vibration is not a magic spell, it's a process, a journey that requires persistence and patience. It's about understanding the rhythm of the universe and learning to dance to its tune. It's about becoming an active participant in the cosmic symphony, not just a passive observer. So start tuning your internal radio. Sing your affirmations with conviction. Visualize your dreams and fuel them with positive emotions. Remember, you are the composer of your life's symphony, and the universe is your orchestra. Harnessing the law of vibration can unlock doors you never knew existed. So are you ready to turn the key? But remember, every power comes with its own perils. Our exploration of the law of vibration has thus far unfurled a universe of potential, a world where one can sway the tides of existence with a singular harmonic thought. Yet, like any potent force, it requires understanding and respect. The law of vibration, in its essence, is neutral. It does not discern between constructive or destructive intentions. It simply echoes back the frequencies we emit. Imagine a mirror, reflecting back not our physical form, but our internal vibrational state. If we approach this mirror with fear, anger, or negativity, it will reverberate these emotions back to us, magnifying their influence in our lives. In this lies the danger of misunderstanding or misusing the law. If we fail to recognize our own destructive tendencies, we risk amplifying them, creating a dissonant symphony that can steer us away from our desired path. The law becomes a double-edged sword, capable of both creation and destruction. Moreover, the misuse of this law could lead to an imbalance in our spiritual equilibrium. We could become entrapped in a cycle of negative manifestation, where our fears and insecurities are continuously reflected back at us, hindering our growth and progression. Wield the sword wisely, for it can cut both ways. Remember, the law of vibration is a tool, a cosmic instrument that responds to the maestro's touch. Its power can be harnessed for immense good, but only when it is understood and respected. As our journey nears its end, the symphony of vibrations continues. We've journeyed through the enigmatic realms of the ancient law of vibration, delving deep into its origins and unearthing its profound meaning. We've discovered that this law, as old as the universe itself, is the very melody that the cosmos dances to. We've learned that the law of vibration is not just a philosophical concept, but an alchemical truth, a hermetic principle that governs all existence. It teaches us that everything in the universe, seen and unseen, is in a constant state of motion, vibrating at varying frequencies. We've explored the intimate connection between spirituality and this universal law. We've found that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions are powerful forces that can influence our vibrational frequency. When we align our inner vibrations with the universe's rhythm, we tap into a boundless source of power. We've also delved into the practical use of the law of vibration. We've learned manifestation techniques that employ this law, harnessing its power to shape our reality. We've uncovered affirmations that can help us tune our vibrations, aligning them with our desires and aspirations. Moreover, we've come to understand that the law of vibration is a double-edged sword. While it can be a tool for positive transformation, it can also lead to undesirable outcomes if not used wisely. This understanding underscores the importance of using this law responsibly, with awareness and intention. So as we wrap up our exploration, let's not forget the symphony that the universe is constantly playing. This symphony is the law of vibration in action, a ceaseless dance of energy that we are all a part of. It is up to us to learn the rhythm, to tune into the melody, and to dance in harmony with the cosmos. And so we continue our dance, armed with a deeper understanding of the law of vibration and the power it holds. Remember, this law is not just a concept to be understood, but a reality to be lived. In the grand dance of the cosmos, may your vibrations always be in harmony. But wait, there's more to the law of vibration than meets the eye. As we've journeyed through the cosmos, we've begun to unravel its mysteries. But like the universe itself, the law of vibration is infinitely expansive and endlessly profound. There are deeper layers to this universal principle, layers that are waiting to be explored. These unseen depths hold the potential to transform our lives in ways we can scarcely imagine. The law of vibration is not just about aligning our individual frequencies with the universe. It's about recognizing that we are the universe, vibrating in harmony with itself. The power and potential of this realization are immense, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. As we conclude this video, we leave you with a tantalizing hint of what's to come. In our next video, we'll dive into these deeper aspects of the law of vibration, exploring the transformative power it holds and how we can harness it to create our reality. So, as we bid you farewell for now, remember this: the symphony of the universe is far from over. Stay tuned for the next part of our journey into the vibrations of the universe. The melody continues, the dance goes on, and each one of us is an integral part of this grand cosmic ballet. Keep vibrating, keep exploring, and remember, the universe is always in tune with your frequency. So make sure that you tune in your frequency with this channel by subscribing, sharing, liking, and activating the notification bell for more abundance to come.